ravine approaching me from the 2491 tree, and there's two jumbos out across the street, flying next to each other, making an exhaust in the sun. I can't see it well. Oh, there you go. It's kind of choppy, it's not all continuous. There's the cessna on my head, rotating. Sound Doppler coming up. Now he's 10 feet away from me. Right, left, pulse right, left, rotating, pulse right, little left, right, still rotating with pulses, left, right, left, right, left, and so now he's only like 100 feet away, and the sound is just off because that's how science works. Right pulse, rotating, little bump, little right pulse, still rotating, little right pulse, right bump, and a little left, right bump, left, right, he's down the street.